Hello students, some of you have informed me to discuss about matrix multiplication. So today for ICSE board students, these here who are giving board exams, for them I'll discuss this matrix multiplication. Hope it will be helpful for you. We'll take few examples and then we will show how to do matrix multiplication. Let's take one matrix A. Matrix A and B, two matrices we are taking. Matrix A as A, B, C, as and B is matrix PQR. A is only row matrix, B is only column matrix, ABC is first row and B is PQR. Now if we have to multiply A and B, then let's see what comes. We are writing first two matrices. Now first element with first element, A into P plus B into Q. Second element with second element plus C into R. This way we make the first element of that result matrix. If matrix B has another column XYZ, then what would be the result? Then with A matrix elements we have to multiply the second column of the B matrix, like R1 of the matrix A and C2 of matrix B, that will multiply and will form R1 C2. That means row 1 column 2 of the product matrix. R1 C1 we got already by multiplying AP plus BQ plus CR. This is R1 C1 by multiplying R1 row and C1 column. Now R1 C2 we are getting by multiplying A into X plus B into Y plus C into Z. This way we will get this second element. That means first matrix, first row makes the first row of the product matrix. Now if A matrix has a second row, DEF is the second row of that matrix A, then second row will multiply with first column DR2 C1. How will make first element and first element DP plus EQ plus FR. So now for second position we will multiply second row second column D into X plus E into Y plus F into Z. That means R2 second row second column, that will make from second row and second column. Now D into X plus E into Y plus F into Z. That means matrix multiplication is like this. Now we'll take another example and then it will be clear to you. Like one matrix we are taking 2 minus 3 and 4 5. Second matrix if we take 0 2 5 1 minus 1 minus 2. That means first matrix is 2 by 2 matrix, 2 rows 2 columns, and second matrix 2 by 3. R1 C1 first will multiply first row elements 2 into 0 plus minus 3 into 1. With first row we'll multiply second column now. 2 into 2 plus minus 3 into minus 1. First row second column will make like this. And first row third column 2 into 5 plus minus 3 into minus 2. So this way we will get first row third column. Now second row will make by second column, second row. So for first matrix second row we will use that for making second row. Like second row element is this R2 makes R2, R1 makes R1. Now R2 into C1, this way we will multiply. So first 4 into 0 plus 5 into 1. Now R2 into C2, first second row of first matrix into second column of second matrix. 4 into 2 plus 5 into minus 1. Now third position 4 into 5 plus 5 into minus 2. This way we will get the second row third element. Now we will just calculate 0 minus 3, 4 plus 3, 10 plus 6. Second row 4 into 0, 0 plus 5, 4 into 2, 8 minus 5 and 20 minus 10. So this way we will get the new matrix. It will come minus 3, 7, 16, 5, 3, 10. So this is the product matrix, and first matrix order was 2 by 2, second matrix order was 2 by 3. Now new matrix, its order will be from 2 rows we are getting 2 rows, that means R1, R2, 2 rows we are getting according to first matrix row numbers. Second matrix 3 columns, so result matrix will be also 3 columns. That means first number and the last number will be the order of the new matrix. Now we will watch 1-2 more examples. Probably it will be easier for you than to do multiplication by your own. Now A matrix, if we take order A by B, then B matrix if order C by D, when multiplication is possible. That means A and B are multiplicable. When we can do this? A into B we can do if B equals to small b equals to small c. That means number of columns of A matrix equals to number of rows of second matrix, B matrix. If these two are equal, then multiplication is possible. Number of columns of A matrix equals to number of rows of B matrix. If they are equal, then multiplication is possible. And when they are multiplicable, then what will be the result matrix? Suppose C, its number of rows will be A. That means number of rows of first matrix, and number of columns will be number of columns of second matrix. So new matrix order will be A by D. Number of rows A, number of columns D. Now we'll watch one example. 2, 1, 3 minus 1 is the first matrix. Second matrix, it's 3 by 2 type, 2, 1, 1, 2, 0, 3. So first matrix is 2 by 2, second matrix is 3 by 2. So matrix multiplication is not possible, as second number of first matrix, first number of second matrix are not equal. 2 and 3 not comparable, so we cannot multiply. But if first matrix has three columns, 2 1 1, 3 minus 1 1, 0, then we can multiply them. If first matrix we take three columns and second matrix has three rows, so multiplication is possible, because you watch three elements 2 1 1 has their counterpart 2 1 0. Each one is corresponding to one particular element. We can multiply, like example 2 into 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 0. If each one we can multiply with one particular element, then is multiplication possible. Like second position, 2 into 1 plus 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Now second row we are multiplying 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 0 into 0. Now second row, third column, second row, second column. How? 3 into 1 plus minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 3. So multiplication done. Now just we have to calculate. 4 plus 1 plus 0, 2 plus 2 plus 3, 6, second row. Now 6 minus 1 plus 0, last element 3 minus 2 plus 0. Now this is the answer. Just we need to give it a final shape, that it will be 5 7 5 1. So these elements we are getting, and original matrix, two matrices. First one is 2 by 3, second one is 3 by 2. So order of the new matrix will be 2 by 2. Now we'll go for a different type of example. Again we'll watch matrix multiplication. Suppose a matrix A is given, then we have to find A square. Any matrix square, how to find? Suppose A is given 2 minus 1 3 2. We have to find A square. A square means we know A into A. So just we have to multiply same matrix. If A cube we have to find out, we have to multiply it 3 times. First we have to find A square, then we have to multiply A square with A. Now we are doing this now. First is A is 2 by 2 matrix, so A square is possible, means A and A multiplication possible, because it is 2 by 2 and 2 by 2, so second number and third number is matching. Now if we multiply with R1 C1, first row and first column, 2 into 2 plus minus 1 into 3. Now first row, second column, 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 2. Means product matrix also, that first row second position, how will you get? R1 from first matrix, C2 from second matrix. Now R2 C1, R2 is coming from first matrix R1. C1 will be column, first column of second matrix. So that way 3 into 2 plus 2 into 3. Now R2 of first matrix, C2 of second matrix. That way we got this product matrix. Now R2 C2 we multiply, we got 3 into minus 1 plus 2 into 2. This way we are getting all the positions element. Now just we have to simplify. 4 minus 3, then second position minus 2, third position means second row first column 6 plus 6, second row second column minus 3 plus 4. After calculation it is coming 1 minus 4, 12, 1. These are the 4 elements. 2 by 2 order matrix we got from A square. Now you know probably unitary matrix or identity matrix, that is I, capital I. If we have it of order 2, then we write it by I2 or only by I. Order known, it is 2 by 2. And if asked to find AI, where I is identity matrix or unitary matrix, unitary matrix we know, probably you all know that it equals to, it is 2 by 2 matrix, and diagonal elements will be 1 1, other elements 0. So I will be 1 0 0 1. If this is the matrix, it should be 1, not 2. I equals to 1 0 0 1. So we have to get AI. A into I if we get, so first we'll write A, 2 minus 1 3 2, and now I is 1 0 0 1. According to matrix multiplication rule, we have to multiply. This is multiplicable because both are 2 by 2. So 2 into 1 plus minus 1 into 0. Second position, 2 into 0 plus minus 1 into 1. Now second row, first column will multiply 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0. Now second row, second column, 3 into 0 plus 2 into 1. After calculation, it is coming 2 minus 1 3 2. Which is equal to A. That means if we multiply A into I, it is coming A. I is unitary matrix, and we know with any number, if unit means 1, if multiplied, it remains same. Similar in matrix multiplication also, A if multiplied with I, then it will remain A. Similarly, if we multiply I into A with 1, if we multiply 5, it remains 5. That we should check now. I into A, if we multiply these two matrices 1 0 0 1 and 2 minus 1 3 2, multiplication we are doing 1 into 2 plus 0 into 3, first row, first column, first row, second column, 1 into minus 1 plus 0 into 2. Second row, if we multiply 0 into 2 plus 1 into 3. Second row, second column, 0 into minus 1 plus 1 into 2. It comes 2 minus 1 0, sorry 3 2. 2 minus 1 3 2, which is equal to A. That means if we multiply I and A, then also it is coming A. With unitary matrix, if we multiply any matrix, it will remain same. So this is matrix multiplication, some examples I gave. Hope you understand these things. Still, if you have any doubt or any queries, you can send me, you can ask me, then I will try to understand and solve them.